Hello everyone, this is Yvonne with Trucking Up 404. In today's video, I'm going to go over different companies that are looking for independent contractor carrier. Now, the first company I have presented is called Izer. They're currently looking for delivery drivers to deliver pharmaceutical, office supply, auto parts, and medical delivery. If you're interested in applying for this company, I will leave a link in the description below this video. Now, let's go ahead and click on company. Click on independent contractors. Here you have the requirements. You must pass a drug test, a background check, and an MVR check. You must have your own smartphone and you must meet their minimal insurance requirements. Let's go ahead and click on contract now. Here you will provide your information, and also you will select the preferred service center. Also, let's go ahead and stroll down to the type of vehicle you can use. So let's click on type of vehicle. You can use a car, a minivan, a cargo van, a sprinter, a box truck, and a straight truck. As I previously mentioned, if you're interested in applying for this company, I will leave the link in the description below this video. Now, the next company we have is Select Express Logistic. They are currently looking for contractors, carriers as well, for home delivery services, for fitness equipment assembly. As I stroll down, you can see the different states that are looking for delivery route contractors for fitness center, delivery assembly on demand. So let's click on all states. Now here they provide, let's say in Georgia, they have 5 jobs available. In Florida, I see they have 7 jobs. Hawaii, they have 7. Let's just stroll down and look at, see some more. New York, I see they have 45 jobs. So if you're interested in applying for this company, I will leave a link in the description below the video. Now, the next company is called Deliver That. They're currently looking for independent contractor delivery catering drivers. You will be delivering food to their customers. And here are the different states they operate out of. So let's click on, let's click on Hawaii. And let's click on drive in. Here is give you a description, and it tells you the pay of how much you can make an hour, up to an hour. And also tell you that you will need a smartphone and a reliable and safe vehicle. And you are a 1099 independent contractor. So if you're interested in applying for this position or any position, as I mentioned, I will provide the link below in the description. Now, the next company is called Crossroad Carrier. Now, they deliver packages. Now, if you're interested in delivering packages or working with this company, as they mentioned on the website, you can apply at this telephone number by calling this number. But you also can click on apply here. Here, the requirements, you must have a reliable vehicle, a car, a minivan, SUV, cargo van, or box truck, 16 feet or under. You must have a driver's license. And this is they offer flexibility. They deliver in St. Louis, Kansas City, Phoenix, Las Vegas, and Chicago, and Dallas. So they have full-time and part-time opportunity. If you're interested, all you need to do is stroll down and provide your information and click on the submit button. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please let me know. And you all have a good day. Thank you.